What's up guys, it's Ireland. So recently one of my favorite YouTubers and beauty gurus, and one of the people who inspired me to start creating makeup tutorials, NikkiTutorial, recently lost her brother to cancer. She put out a makeup tutorial that was in honor of him, where she did a completely red look because his favorite color was red. She asked at the end of the video that we either wear red, do something red, recreate the look, something like that in honor of him. And I decided to do a complete tutorial of a completely red look inspired by her look, in honor of her brother as well, because she is one of the people who inspired me to start doing YouTube, and I just wanted to honor her and her family and her brother in the only way I knew how to. So today my look will be completely red, and I know I've already done a video like that, but like I said, this one is in honor of her brother, and that's the reason it will be another red look. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and if you see this and you know who NikkiTutorials is, please tweet her the link to this video or tag her in it, something, just help me get it to her so she can see it and see that we're all here for her and honoring her brother as well. Alright, so I'm going to start with primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Primer, which is the green one, to correct redness, because although this is a red look, I don't exactly want redness all over my face. Just saying. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal Plus Perfect. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. Now going in with the Airspun Translucent Powder. Now with the concealer brush by e.l.f., I'm going to put glucose, the white color, up at my brow bone. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush to dust away the powder. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brow pencil in taupe. gonna put on some brow gel. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then put on mascara. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Now I'm gonna go in the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. Now using Candy Venom by Fenty Beauty, I'm going to go in with a smudge brush just to line my lips with it, and then I'll fill it in with lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Nikki, my heart goes out to you and your family, and I know your brother's up there in heaven watching over you, and I know he's continuing to watch over you throughout your career, and he's going to be continuing to check those stats on YouTube. So